How to upload longer videos on Instagram story. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload longer videos on Instagram story. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is simply open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you just want to head over to your story section and find a video that you want to post. So for example, if I just have to post this video, as you can see, it's 1 minute 41 seconds long, and Instagram only allows videos up to 60 seconds. So in that case, what you can do is cut out the video after the 60 seconds. So if you upload this, it will automatically cut out after 60 seconds. So what you can do is do a second part of the video. So you can post the remaining part of the video on the other part of your story. Or what you can do is upload the entire video on your reel section on your profile and then share your reel to your story. So what you could do is tap on this plus icon, tap on this particular video, and then tap on reel. Now just tap on the video and then tap on next. So you could post this entire video to your account, and then from there you can share this on your story and people will be able to click on it to view the entire video. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.